Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. As in my earlier videos, we have been watching that Siacoin is once again rejected by the resistance of a rising broadening wedge pattern and dropped down at the support of this wedge. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared with you almost 24 hours ago. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after getting rejected, the price line is dropped down at this support. Here we had a long spike to the downside, but the price line tested this support of EMA 21. This is a quite long-term support now. Previously, you can see for several weeks or months, even years, it has been breaking as a very, very strong resistance. And after the breakout, you can see it is flipped into a very nice support. And after that recent sell-off, the price then tested this support, but did not break it down and they covered back. And now we are again moving at the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see whenever the price line is getting bounced from the support, it is forming higher highs and higher lows as well. And the broader this wedge will be, the broader and bigger pumps and dumps will be. For example, this was the small pump and a small dump, then bigger pump and bigger dump, then another bigger pump and another bigger dump. And this was, we had a big pump from this low to this high. That was almost 203% pump. And from this low to this high, when again it rejected by this resistance, it was more than 67.1%, almost 67 to 68% dump, but the price then did not break down the support of the broadening rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this very, very huge falling down channel and from this symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Siacoin that I shared with my members on 11th of January 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Siacoin formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. This was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. This was a very massive pump, almost 75%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Siacoin. And this is a weekly time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several years, since after March 2021, it has been moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And from the month of November 2022, we found another uptrend line support. You can see we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and several touch points here as well. And we got a few rejections by the resistance as well. Like here we got rejection, here we got another rejection, another rejection. And this was the formation of another symmetrical triangle. The same resistance of this down channel was also breaking as a resistance of this symmetrical triangle. And due to this uptrend line support of the triangle, the price line did not test the support of the channel after the month of November 2022. And now after the breakout, you can see that it has rallied very well from this low to this high. When we last time tested the support of the channel here to this high, you can see that so far it has rallied almost 984%, almost 1000%, but could not break out this quite long-term resistance of 1.4 cents that has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been breaking as a support here and resistance here as well. Here we had a long spike up to the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern, but got rejected and even did not break out this 1.4 cents resistance as well. And now we have tested this quite long-term support of $0.0085 that has been previously breaking as a support here for several weeks or months, here, here, and here as well. And now again, it is breaking as a very nice support. And we have also tested the support of EMA 21 as well. Now, if the price line will start another massive reversal from here, then it can reach somewhere here at this resistance of 2.5 cents or slightly above than that, because we may have the resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern here at 2.8 cents. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for this breakout from this symmetrical triangle was here. that was approximately exactly at this resistance almost, where we have this resistance of 1.4 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel is here at the top of this channel. That is between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.